Enharmonic notes, level 2, which is in this kind of area. Get out of that. Enharmonic notes, level 2. So you have to identify the enharmonic equivalents of the following pitches. Okay, let's go to the lesson section of this and just check what we mean by enharmonic notes. What they're saying is that you could have a note G, and you could go up a note, a semitone, and you'd end up on a G sharp. Or you could have a note A, and you could go down a semitone, and you'd end up on an A flat. Now, the G sharp and the A flat, they would both sound exactly the same. G, G sharp, A flat, A. And that's because when we look down here, G up to G sharp is that note, the black note here. A down to the black note here is called A flat. So you can see there's all these different kinds of enharmonic equivalents. Notice that there are also some strange double sharps and double flats that creep in as well. So for example, this note here, we normally think of that as a good old plain old F. But we could think of it as an E sharp, which is there. And we could also start here on a G, and we could go G, flat, flat. So we're doubling the flat, G double flat. And we would end up on the same note there, F. So F, E sharp, and G double flat, they are all what are called enharmonic equivalents of each other. So let's have a look. For example, an F. So think about what a piano looked like. And E, the note below it, if we went up a semitone from an E, we'd end up on an F. So E sharp is the same as an F. So the best way to do these is really find the note on the piano, an F sharp, and see if you can just name that note differently. And normally it'll be via one of the notes on either side, like the E below or the G above. In this case, because we've already sharpened the F to an F sharp, we'll approach it from the other side and it'll be a G flat, and it will end up on the same note.